Welcome back to another episode on Subject-Verb Agreement. In our previous video, we had discussed the definition of Subject-Verb Agreement and what it is all about. Today, we are going to look into the matter of collective nouns and how the collective nouns are used in Subject-Verb Agreement. What verbs do we use with collective nouns? And we will delve deeper into more rules related to Subject-Verb Agreement. So, let us get started. Now, collective nouns can take either singular verb or plural verb depending on the context. For example, if I talk about a collective noun as a single whole, for example, the team is performing well. In this case, the team is a singular unit. It is a collective noun, and here the sentence implies that it is one unit. So here we use the singular verb. But for example, if I use a sentence like this, the jury are fighting amongst themselves. Here, what is happening, what I am trying to imply is the jury members have not been able to come at a decision unanimously. So they are fighting amongst themselves. So here the jury has not been presented as a single whole, but as a fragmented unit, as a unit composed of several members. So in this context, we are using the plural verb. Let us move forward. What about the sentences that use nor or in their structure? What happens to those sentences? Now, the subjects joined by or nor take a verb that agrees with the closest subject. Let's try to understand this with the help of an example. Neither the teacher nor the students know the answer. Neither the teacher, it is singular, nor joined by nor, the students know the answer. So know is our verb and the subject closest to the verb is plural, the students. So here the verb has attained the plural form. So we are writing neither the teacher nor the students know the answer. Let's look at another example. Either John or his friends are responsible. In this case also the same thing happens. Either John is added with another subject with the help of or. Either John or his friends, again plural, are responsible. So are is the plural verb form and it is agreeing with the closest subject, that is the friends, which is plural. Now moving forward to the next rule. Suppose if the subjects are joined by and. This is quite common. Tom and Jerry walk into the market. What happens here? Here we see that there are two people joined by and, so the subject becomes plural. So we are using the plural verb. Apples and oranges grow on the same tree. So these examples can be used to illustrate that when we have and in between two subjects, then it will be considered plural because we are indicating more than one subject. Let us move on to another rule quickly. What happens when the subject is a compound subject? That means it is formed of a number of words. It is joined with the help of either or and neither nor. So the subject is not a single word, but it is a compound subject. In such cases, what is the rule? Let us illustrate this point with a definition as well as the example. When the subject is a compound subject joined by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the second subject. Let us understand this with the help of examples. The first example, neither the books nor the pencil is mine. Neither the books, so books is plural, nor the pencil, pencil is singular, is mine. So the verb is agreeing with the second subject. The second subject is what? The pencil, which is singular. So we are saying neither the books nor the pencil is mine. Let us look at another example. Either the car or the bicycles are parked outside. So the same rule is followed here as well. If you find this exploration interesting, do not forget to stay tuned to know more about Subject-Verb Agreement. I will come back with another episode on Subject-Verb Agreement to illustrate more interesting facts and points about the topic. If you like my work, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such quick grammar updates. Thank you for watching.